everyone, it's me DJB Diwata, and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to a new upload of Mission Souls, and this is Pretty Woman, published 2 days ago with 19,000 views, of course, popularized by none other than Roy Orbison, okay? So I'm so excited to discover song kasi naman nakita ko sa thumbnail ang apat na mahuhusay na mga batang ito ang gumawa ng cover na ito. Kaya naman, tara na, huwag na natin patagarin, magsimula na tayo, pakinggan na natin ang Pretty Woman ng Mission Souls. Let's go! Wow! Ganda ng pasok ni Isaac ni Nisha.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, that kind I like to be. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one can look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman, that you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby. Be mine tonight. Pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. Okay, if that's the way, must be okay. I guess I'll go on home and sleep. There'll be tomorrow night, but wait, what do I see?
Galing!
Is she walking back to me? Yeah, she's walking back to me. Oh, pretty woman.
Cute! Wow! Wow! 2 minutes and 59 seconds, pero bitin, ulitin.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, that kind I like to be. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you're not the truth. No one can look as good as you. Mercy. Pretty woman,
May pakinggan
won't
kita
you
ng
pardon
siya.
me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman, that you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me?
Ayun, ang galing!
Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. what do I see?
Nakakaindak, grabe.
Is she walking back to me? Yeah, she's walking back to me.
Galing ng ating basis, classes.
Pretty woman.
Wow. Grabe. Pretty women, okay? Kasi ang pretty na magkakapatid and the handsome little drummer boy. Yes. O diba, napaindak na naman tayo pagdating sa mga cover song ng Mission Souls. Talaga napapaindak at bumibigay ang energy ni DJP. Napasayaw tayo sa oldies but goodies na Pretty Woman ng Mission Souls. Anyway, ayan, nagustuhan ko yung intro ni Nisha at saka ni Ice, yung kanilang danananan dudududun. O diba, ang ganda ng blending, ang ganda ng pack na pack talaga, and ang ganda ng harmony, ang ganda ng arrangement, grabe. Meron siyang kakaibang tunog na hindi ko mawari kung sana, how I wish I am a great musician also para alam ko kung ano yung mga tunog na nadidinig ko na for me is kakaiba, no? So basta there is something na kakaiba dito sa cover na ito na talaga na-appreciate ko siya. But anyway, ayan, syempre yung ating napaka-pretty na pieces na cool lang, pat smile lang na talaga namang ang nagdala talaga aside from pagkahusay niya sa kanyang sa kanyang pagtipa sa kanyang bass guitar ay yung kanyang smile na napakasimple. At of course, nadinig na natin ang voice ni Nisha na nag-duet na sila ni Stacy na talaga namang yung blending na kanilang voices. At of course, ang ating napaka-cute na little drummer boy na si Ice at his age of 10. Of course, ayan, tinatalo niya ang ang mga adult na drummers na masasabi natin professional. At his young age, talagang masasabi natin professional na ang dating ni Ice. O diba? Anyway, ayan, masasabi natin napaka-pretty ng cover song na ito. Tamang-tama lang sa kanilang pretty voices. O diba? Anyway, ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs of Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, ayan, deserve po nila ng maraming subscribers kasi napakahusay po nila at ang dami nilang magagandang cover song na mapapakinggan nyo from them. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button or notification bell to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also akin po DJP Israel. Ayan, medyo matagal-tagal na akong hindi nakakapag-upload pero soon ay mag-upload po tayo dyan. Magkaroon na sana tayo ng time, no? Once again, this is DJP Diwata, and always remember that music is life and life is all without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all. Ayan, please no hate, just love.